I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is weForms. Select a form. Click Next. Now search for Action SendGrid. Give a name. For API key, please click on SendGrid API token. Click on Create API token. Give a name. Now click on Create and View. Copy API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to SendGrid Dashboard and click on Marketing. Then click on Contacts. Click on All Contacts. You can see record is created in SendGrid. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.